welcome back to my vlog. I'm vlogger here. So today's video guys, I'm cooking Pampano Paksiw, and this my dinner for tonight guys. Ayan. Oh lala, this is Pampano. So naglagay ako some serrano peppers, 3 pieces, and then bitter melon or Ampalaya, and 1 piece of Pampano fish. And then also I put some ginger, garlic, onions, and tomatoes. So what I do guys, with my tomato, I grated, and also the onions and the ginger. So ginigrated ko siya para medyo maliliit siya. Ayun, fine yung natin ingredients. So ginagaya ko siya doon kay Marie, kay Pinoy Equatorial Guinea sa Africa, yung vloggers, kasi pinapanood ko yung palagi yung mga vlog nila doon sa Africa. So I followed what she's cooking. Yung ginigrated niya yung mga yung onions, tomato, and ginger na maliliit instead of big piece. So ito yung natin guys, jalapeno, Pampano na Paksiw yung niluluto natin today guys. Yan. Oh, look at this. Ako lang naman kakain nito guys. Ayun ang asawa ko kumain nito, so ako lang. Yan, mukhang masarap. Lagyan ko siya ng medyo lagyan ko siya ng konting mantika, dato puti soy sauce, and soy sauce na dato puti. Yes. And then konting magic sarap. Yan ang mga ingredients natin guys sa ating paksiw na Pampano. Tingnan natin guys. Spicy. Medyo mapait ng konti dahil sa Ampalaya o bitter melon. Yan. So medyo hindi pa siya luto guys. So takpan natin siya ng hanggang maluto ang ating fish and gulay. Yan. So yan ang ating dinner for tonight guys. Paksiw na Pampano. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you like the video. If you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed, please subscribe and like the video. So ito lang yung vlog natin for today. Short lang tayo guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and I see you guys in my next vlog. Happy Sunday. Happy Lord's Day everyone. At sana you have a blessed day today, and enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys next time. Bye for now. Let's cover it.